Welcome back to the channel. Today I had an opportunity to refinish some headlights and wrap them, and I thought I'd make a video about it because I had several people ask how I did the headlights on the Saab 97. I didn't really touch on it too much in the video. I just kind of explained, you know, what I was doing. I didn't really go into detail about it. So what you can see here is these Honda lights, pretty clouded up. I know that they've already been refinished once because I used a Headlight Restoration kit on them. It's probably been a couple years now, and you know, it just don't last. I did the clear coat on there, and it just hasn't held up. So what I've actually found recently is if you refinish the headlights and put the UV wrap on the headlights, they last actually really good. So that's what we're going to do. And so basically, to walk you through it, you're going to have to restore the headlight. So you're going to want to get a kit, or if you've got other ways that you like to refinish headlights, that's what you're going to need to do. So what we're going to do is I've got a 4-step sanding process to do on the headlights, get them cleaned up and clear, and then we're gonna go back and put the film on the headlight. And these headlights are actually really difficult because of the curvature. So, and I actually did the driver's side one already because I wanted to make sure that I could actually get the tint to conform to the headlight, and it was very difficult. So this is how it came out on the driver's side. And just as a comparison again, you can see how cloudy the other side is. And but the headlights look so much better, and the light output is going to be better. You can see some imperfections here and there that were in the plastic of the headlight, but overall I think that's just a drastic improvement. And on this headlight I actually had to do 2 sections, so you can see it's not very noticeable, but you can see a seam where I did a separate section on the back. I could not get it to stretch enough to get it to smooth out, so I ended up doing a section on it. I'm happy with the way it came out. I sent a picture to the owner of the vehicle, and they're happy with it. So we're going to proceed to side B over here and get everything going. I'm going to do some time lapse. I think that's probably going to be the easiest way, since I'm by myself, to show the process of sanding the headlight down and applying the tint. So you guys sit back and enjoy. Got the headlight sanded down and cleaned up, and this is normally the point where I would get out my buffer, you know, with some polishing compound, and really work this headlight down to a glossy finish. And what's nice about the tint, or the wrap for the headlight, is that it's glossy, and as the adhesive bonds with the headlight, I mean, you can see in a glare, you can see really fine scratches. It's more noticeable on camera, I'm sure, than it is in person. Because honestly, right now, this headlight actually looks pretty good. But like I said, on a glare you can see some really fine scratches, and like I said, the adhesive from the wrap is actually gonna bond with the headlight, and when it does, it basically will. It's hard to explain. It'll basically fill in those scratches or seal them, and it's almost the same as like putting clear coat on it. Because when you restore a headlight, no matter how much you polish, there's always going to be some really fine scratches in there. And when you put the clear coat on it, the clear coat actually fills in the scratches and gives it the glossy shine. So the wrap is kind of taking care of both of those things. So that's another thing that's really great about this, is you don't have to spend as much time working the headlights. Of course, it takes a while to do the wrap, but I just wanted to touch on that right quick before I started wrapping this headlight. But she's looking pretty good so far, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on the wrap. guys that got the headlights done. And this is pretty much what they look like now. As you can see, it's pretty clear, glossy. Got a little bit of a tint look to them. I even cleaned up some paint off of the front for them. Looked like it hit a bollard in the parking lot maybe or something, but anyway, everything looks pretty good. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you found this useful. And if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you can see when I put out more videos. And we'll see you later. Thanks.
Aaron here at Rev Hog Garage. I want to talk to you today about some
Quit covering your face up, you bastard.
Because I'm going to do one of these.
No. Don't cover your face up. It's going to be like 75 clips on this thing.
Aaron here at Rev Hog Garage. I want to talk to you about some Haviland conventional NW40 to put in your LS. 6 quarts, only $16 at Walmart. But you know what else you should do? Out of all the viewers, only 89.7 of you are subscribers. So what you need to do is you need to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, so you can see more of this ridiculous and badass content. Thanks for hanging out with us today. I'm Aaron with Rev Hog Garage. See you next time.
You're welcome.